Okay, so this is how you fix your screen when the screen is broke. Maybe it's cracked, maybe not. It's just having the ghost touch where it's just doing whatever and you're not even touching it. So you can download this app right here and you can read all the information about it. And what this app is going to do is it's going to reduce the ghost touching. Now, some people said that they had to set it up once a day. But until you get to a repair store or get a new phone, it's pretty good, especially since it's for free. So they have a thing here where you can test dead spots on your screen. And then, of course, they have it where you can fix the whole ghost touching thing. I don't know if it fixes the dead spots on your screen, like where you touch and it's just not registering, because I didn't have that problem to see if it worked. But as you can see here, I'm testing it out. So you just go through all this and it registers each and every tap. Then after you're done, it gives you a little bit of results. And then that's it. You just keep the app on your phone. It runs in the background, helping you out. Okay, there goes my little guy, my little dirty guy. He got cake on his face. Alright, bye.